welcome back. In today's lesson, we're going to be learning two new, really important things. First, we're going to learn how to play the note B using our left hand and our right hand. And then we're learning a new musical theory term called a tie. It's when a note, a line note, or a space note is connected with a curved line to the same note. And what happens is we play that note one time for the combined value of both notes. And you're going to see that in a few of our songs today. Let's get to work. Alright, so right now we're going to look at playing some broken chords, the C chord and the G7 chord broken up. So what we have to get used to here is learning how to get our C to the new note B. With our left hand, it's going to be pinky, 5 to 5. The other fingers will stay in the same C position. So you're not moving out of that position, but the pinky is just going down to B. In the right hand, thumb is on C, we're starting on C. To get to the G7 chord, we're sliding our thumb down to B. And we're going to be breaking up these chords, so we're going from C to B. And these are all broken chords. Let's give this exercise a try. Move that pinky back up. Good. Pinky back down to B. Good. Now the C chord right hand. Good. Now thumb down to B. Excellent. Thumb on C. Good. Thumb down to B. And let's repeat. Left hand. Nice work. Okay, now that we've done the C and the G7 broken chords, we're going to play them as block chords. So remember, block chords means we're playing all three notes at the same time. So for the C chord, we have C, E, and G, 1, 3, and 5. And for the G7 chord, we bring our thumb down to B, fourth finger on F, and pinky on G. And that's our G7 chord. In the left hand, 5, 3, 1, C, E, G. We drop 5 down, or pinky, to B, 2 on F, thumb on G, play them all together, and you've got your block chord. So let's give this exercise a try. Let's repeat. Back to the left hand. 2, 3, 4. G7, switch. 2, 3, 4. Back to C. G7. Back to C. 2, 3, 4. And the right hand. 1, 2, G7, 2, 3, 4, and C chord, G7, and C chord, 1, 2, 3, 4. Nice job. Alright, for this song we're going to be learning something new called a tied note. A tied note is connected by a curved line, and it's always the same note being connected. Now what we do is we play it once for the value of both notes. So for example, in this song we're going to play, you're going to see a whole note in the left hand, whole note chord actually, a whole note C chord being tied. So it's 4 plus 4. We're going to hold it for 8 counts. We play it once, but hold it for 8. And you're going to see that tied note happen 2 times in this song. You're also going to see 2 different dynamic marks in this piece. The right hand is mezzo forte, so medium loud, and the left hand has a P under the chord, which is piano, which means soft. So now we're going to be playing a little bit louder of a melody in the right hand and a little bit softer of an accompaniment in the left hand. Let's give it a try. Hand should be in C position. Now hold that left hand for the tie. Very good. Switch to G7. Let's repeat that. Nice work. Okay, for this next piece, you're going to be seeing some more tied notes in the left hand. So we have a tied note C chord, that's also a whole note to a whole note, so 8 counts. And then we're also going to have a tied G7 chord in the left hand. And in the right hand, we have this really nice melody. Let's give it a try. Here's your tie in the left hand. Good, now switch to G7. And tie that G7. 2, 3, 4. Good, and tie that left hand again. Good, back to G7. Great work. Okay, in this next song, we're going to be using a bunch of chords in our right hand. So we have the right hand C chord and our right hand G7 chord. The left hand is playing the melody. Let's give it a try. Two, 1, 2, 1, 2. All right, great work.